So it's very important to look after your teeth. Now, if your teeth get damaged, it's not only painful, it's not only expensive, but it wastes your time. And you want to make sure that these things go the distance. So we're possibly all going to live to 120 years. So everyone that's watching this, that are into coaching and into looking after themselves, then it's highly likely if you do it well. And that's my goal, and my goal is to live a lot longer as technology comes along and advancements are more available to us. But I want to make sure my teeth are healthy, and I don't want to waste time or money on them. So I floss twice a day, usually after lunch and after dinner, sometimes once a day just after dinner. Depends what I've eaten, but if I feel like there's something in there at all, I always floss. And I brush my teeth in the morning, first thing when I wake up, a little bit of bicarb, not too much so I don't ruin the enamel, and just lightly go around the gums and go around the teeth, and then I will have a bit of coconut oil and with a bit of peppermint oil, put that in my mouth, and I'll do oil pulling for probably 10 minutes. So I keep that in my mouth till I'm walking to work, and then I'll spit that out before I get to work. And that's a way to do that oil pulling every day. Then in the evening, I brush my teeth after I've flossed, a bit of peppermint oil, and that's my routine every day. But I really make sure I look after my teeth. Now, some other things you can do to protect your teeth is to tape your mouth while you sleep. People are like, why that? Because if you breathe through the nose, it's parasympathetic, it's rest digest. If you breathe through the mouth, you build up the bacteria in your mouth, which not only proliferate and damage your teeth, but also it stimulates a fight or flight branch of your nervous system. Now, if you're stimulating that while you're sleeping, then you're more likely to grind and clench. So you want to relax and calm your nervous system as much as you can before going to sleep. So not watching anything really stimulating, or just letting things go, not letting things bother you. So you can program your subconscious mind to be relaxed and calm. If you're under stress, sometimes that's very hard to do. That's where the meditation comes in, to really relax and calm your mind. But you do not want to grind your teeth away. It's one thing to not brush them, not floss them, but just getting angry and upset and clenching will ruin your teeth as well. So you want to make sure that you have a meditative practice, a wind down practice every night, and you prepare for sleep. Taping your mouth really helps with vasodilating the nasal cavity so that you can better nasal breathe, and that humidifies the air, purifies the air, filters it, so that way you're not getting bacteria into the lungs, and you're also protecting your lungs, which is so important for the health of your lungs as well as the health of your nervous system.